In this video, I will show you a simple photo hack that can make any man appear high status on dating apps like Tinder, Bumble, and Hinge. My name's Hunter Lewis, the founder of Wingman Plus and the host of Extreme Tinder Makeover. Throughout this series, we've been helping Devon move on after a tough breakup. Not only have we been building up his confidence, but we've also been building him a world-class Tinder profile. And in this video, we are going to cap it off with our final photo at our final location, the hottest restaurant in the city, Toronto Beach Club.
Hunter, real pleasure to meet you. Thanks, Hunter. Pleasure. Yeah, no, anytime.
Got him. There he is. There he is. Yeah.
Wow.
I'm filming you, filming me.
That was incredible.
Ice and hello. I didn't know I was going to be like a movie star today.
It's time for her close-up. She had no idea what she was in for.
As you can tell by the ambiance of this place, the Toronto Beach Club is a premier dining experience. And we're going to use this to our advantage by allowing Devon to convey that he appreciates the finer things in life. So to set up this photo, we got the crew together and we put on some nicer clothes than we were wearing earlier in the day. From there, we absolutely filled the table with food and drinks. And while it was tempting to dig in and eat all these delicious plates that the servers were bringing us,
Look at this. I still have no idea what this is, but let's try it.
we held off to allow our table to fill with incredible entrees, appetizers, and drinks. Now all we had to do was put Devon at the head of the table, have everyone hold up their glass while Devon gave a toast, and captured an iconic, candid, and high status moment. When women see this photo of Devon on dating apps like Tinder, they're gonna see that Devon is a leader in social situations. Devon has good taste. He only goes to the best restaurants in the city. And when he goes to these restaurants, he makes the most of the moment and fills the table with food. When women are swiping through Tinder and they see this photo, Devon's gonna stand out. They're gonna start to ask themselves, who is this guy? They'll be so intrigued by this image that he's putting out that they'll be compelled to swipe right, flooding Devon with new Tinder matches, and ultimately allow Devon to play the numbers game and succeed on dating apps. I am so proud of what Devon has accomplished. After walking in on his ex-girlfriend cheating on him in his own bed, Devon could have easily given up like so many men do. But he decided to take a chance, take himself out of his comfort zone, and go through with the incredible transformation that we've given him here on Extreme Tinder Makeover. We've pushed Devon to the limits. We've brought him to extreme highs and we've seen extreme lows. But the man sitting with us at the table tonight was almost indistinguishable from the man we met just weeks ago. From the outside looking in, it's an absolutely heartwarming story. But let's hear it from Devon himself.
Guys, listen up, listen up. I want to propose a toast, okay? And if it weren't for these two gentlemen sitting to my right, my brother, for pulling me out of this dark place and reaching out to the master, Hunter Lewis here, the Tinder Makeover King, okay? I was in a very dark place. I really was. And this girl, she occupied so much of my mentality, so much of my mental space. And now I'm able to get over her, thanks to you two, okay? So I really want to thank you guys for that. And what you guys made me realize, there are so many girls out there. Why get hung up on one when there are 3.5 billion girls out there? I'm embarrassed that I spent so much time thinking about this girl when she got, well, let's just say it how it is. She got fucked by multiple guys in my own bed. Fuck it though, it's out of the way. Cheers to the 3.5 billion girls out there. Let's have a good rest of the night, fellas. And thank you guys so much again for the experience of a lifetime. Cheers, cheers.
Coming up on Extreme Tinder Makeover, the finale is here. We've taken 6 breathtaking Tinder photos for Devon's profile, and in the next and final episode, we will finally reveal Devon's Tinder profile. So if you haven't yet, make sure you pound that like button, hit subscribe, and buckle up for the finale of Extreme Tinder Makeover. If you guys want more Tinder advice, make sure you pound that like button, hit subscribe, and check out my ultimate dating profile guide, the Matchbook.